Let's go.
What do you do on those days that you don't feel that confident or fearless or powerful like you did out there?
Pretend.
Fake it?
Yeah.
Until we make it?
I mean, why not? It's either that or cry myself to sleep. Who wants to do that?
Bring your baddest bitch out. Bring your baddest bitch out. Bring your baddest bitch.
A bit of everything. Music is an escape for me. Writing makes it easy for me because I guess I can write everything down that I'm feeling, that I'm thinking about, that I'm going through, and it's kind of like therapy. I want my music specifically to
Abo, what do you use skincare routine? Like, oh man, it's me, I am his skincare routine.